Have you ever wondered if your email address has been leaked in a data breach? Today, I'll show you how to check using a trusted tool. Have I been pwned? This website lets you find out if your information has been exposed and what steps you should take to stay safe. Let's start with Have I been pwned? Go to haveibenpwned.com. First, an important note. These services only need your email address, never your password. If any site asks for your password, avoid it. Always stay cautious with personal information. I entered an email, and the result came back as not breached. That means the email isn't listed in known data leaks, which is good news. I typed an email, and it showed breached. This means the email was found in a data breach, and I'll guide you on what this result means and the steps you need to take immediately, from changing your password, enabling 2FA, and monitoring your accounts. Protect your online security before it's too late. What to do if leaked? If your email is found, don't panic. Here's what to do. Change your password immediately and make it strong and unique. Enable two-factor authentication on important accounts. If you reused that same password elsewhere, change it on all those accounts too. Check for any suspicious logins or connected apps. Monitor your financial accounts if sensitive data was exposed. You can also subscribe to Have I Been Pwned's notification service to get alerts if your email appears in future breaches. There are other services in Have I Been Pwned that you can use. One of them is Who's Been Pwned, where you can see a list of the biggest data breaches collected on the site. It shows which websites were hacked, what type of information was leaked, like emails, passwords, or phone numbers, and when the breach happened. Stay safe online and see you in the next video.